Hi there, welcome to our channel. So Redmi unveiled their first watch in China called Redmi Watch. This is a fairly simple and inexpensive model which would be perfect for those who want just the basics. And when I say basic, it doesn't mean it looks ordinary. It comes in variety of color options which includes black, white and navy blue colors for the watch itself with a matching silicone strap along with two additional colors, pink and green. The wearable adopts a square design with a focus on minimalism, which is something we admire. If we talk about the display, the watch comes with a usual 1.4-inch color display with 320 by 320 pixel resolution and 2.5D glass. The display has 323 ppi and comes with 120 plus watch faces. It has a button on the right side for navigation and weighs only 35 grams. Moving on to the fitness activities, you can count on 7 exercises available on the watch itself. It includes outdoor running, outdoor cycling, indoor cycling, walking, swimming and free activities. These are fairly simple activities and we think that's enough for most people. In addition, it has 5 ATM water resistance that is up to 50 meters, so you don't have problems with swimming. As you'd expect, you can monitor your heart rate or sleep without any problems. It is also possible to do breathing exercises. As for the rest of the features, Redmi Watch has Xiaomi's virtual assistant, something that will be reserved for the Chinese market. It also has NFC, which is unlikely to hit the global variants. About its battery, the Redmi Watch promises a total of 7 days of duration lasting up to 12 days if we keep it in the basic clock mode. It charges via a proprietary cradle and a full charge takes 2 hours. The Redmi Watch will retail for $45, though it's offered for $40 in a limited time offer. Sales in China will begin on 1st of December and details about its international availability were not disclosed, but it could make its way outside of China as the Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite, a name which was spotted in an FCC listing a while back. But apparently the FCC listing says that the Mi Watch Lite has GPS built into it, which is not available on the Chinese variant. Then again, there is no NFC and voice assistant in the Lite variant. So you get some features and you lose some. Anyways, that's it for today. For more videos, do subscribe and catch you in the next one.